जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindhakanda. He has taken his bow and pulled the string of bow and made a sound by which the entire Kishkindha will get terribly shaken. To that extent, Lakshmana Swami expressing all of his anger. Lakshmana was in so much of anger and he pulled the string of his bow and made a big sound. With that, entire Kishkindha got shaken. When that happened, Sugriva immediately got up from his simhasanam and got so much scared. By then, Angada also went there and told Sugriva that Sugriva, Lakshmana came. With that, Mukhancha Asya Vyasushyata, Sugriva's entire mouth dried. With the fear, his mind was in so much restlessness. Then immediately Sugriva started saying to Tara, "Oh Tara, usually Lakshmana is very kind-hearted, very tender-hearted. I don't know why Lakshmana is in so much anger. Without reason, he would not get that much upset. What do you think, Tara? Did we do anything wrong? Ho Tara, adhava swayameva yenam drashtum arhasi bhashitum. Can you please go to Lakshmana and talk to him very nicely? Prasadaitum arhasi. Please him with your good words. Tara, usually great people never behave rudely with the woman. The moment Lakshmana sees you, definitely he will cool down. And you have to talk to him very nicely. And then drakshyami aham. By then I will come and have his darshanam." When Sugriva said like that, Tara, she was drunk, but she slowly went to Lakshmana. With all of her humbleness, she stood in front of Lakshmana. When Lakshmana has seen Tara like that, Lakshmana controlled all of his anger. Lakshmana put his head down. He could not see Tara like that. Then Tara saying to Lakshmana, "Ho Lakshmana, kim kopamulam manujendra putra, ho Rajaputra, why are you so upset? Why are you in so much anger? Kaste na santishtati vangnidese. Who in this world would go against your word? Who on this earth would not listen to your word? Tell me, oh Lakshmana, is there anyone on this earth would play with glowing flame? You are like a glowing flame. Who would play with you? Come on, tell me, Lakshmana." Like that, when Tara said, Lakshmana saying that, "Oh Tara, your husband Sugriva, he is drowned in all these pleasures. With that, he totally forgot about dharma. Don't you know about that?" Like that, Lakshmana is now asking Tara. Lakshmana is saying to Tara like this, "Oh Tara, Sugriva, he totally forgot about dharmam. Na chintayati rajyardham. He is not paying his attention in his kingdom activities. Na asman sokaparayanan. Myself and Rama, both of us in so much of grief and so much of suffering. But this Sugriva not at all paying attention to us, not caring us. Sa amatya parishat panameva vupasevate. He is, along with his ministers, always engaged in drinking and enjoying. Sugriva totally forgot about the word that he gave to us. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.